Hi guys, we're looking at example 8 from section 23D, binomial distribution. This example takes a look at an archer that's shooting a bow and an arrow. The archer has a 90% chance of hitting a target every time they shoot the arrow, and they're shooting 5 arrows, so we need to determine the chance of hitting the target only 2 times, no more than 2, no less than 2. And at most 3 times. So at most 3 times would be 3 times or 2 times or 1 time or no times. All right, first part of the question, expand this. 9/10 plus 1/10 to the power of 5. So just remembering how expansion works, we're going to need the 5th row of Pascal's triangle. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. All right, so 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 are the binomial coefficients in this expansion. And then we're starting with 9/10 to the power of 5, 9/10 to the power of 4, 9/10 to the power of 3, and so on, power of 2, power of 1, and that would be power of 0, but that will equal 1. And then the next part, 1/10, start with power of 0 here, so 1/10 power of 1 here, and we'll put the plus signs in between, 1/10 power of 2, 1/10 power of 3, 1/10 power of 4, and 1/10 power of 5. Okay, that's really all we need to do at this point. When it asks to expand, it didn't say expand and simplify, just expand. So we have those situations there. Now, just take a minute to think about what each of these terms actually mean. This first term, if we calculated this probability, it means that all 5 trials were successful, and that would be the probability of that happening. Chance of success is the 90% hitting the target, so 9 out of 10. This term here simply means 4 successes, 1 failure, so 4 times hitting the target, 1 time not hitting the target. If we drew this out into a big tree diagram, there would be 5 different pathways for that to happen. This one, 3 successes, 2 failures, so 3 hitting the target, 2 not hitting the target. 10 ways of that happening if we drew this out into a big tree diagram. 10 ways of this one happening, 2 successes, 3 failures. 5 ways for this to happen, 1 success, 4 failures, and only 1 way for this to happen, 5 failures. And that's going to be our smallest probability. Okay, what we need to find out is, answer the second question. Determine the chance of hitting the target twice only. So hitting the target twice only. So that means successful 2 times. So come to this one. Successful 2 times. Right there. Successful, 9 out of 10. 2 successes. So we need to take this and figure out what this is. So that would be 10 multiplied by 9 over 10 squared. So 81 over 100. Multiplied by 1/10 cubed, so multiplied by 1 over 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this would be 81 times this, 10, so 81 over 10,000. Okay, 81 over 10,000. Or if you wanted to do that in your calculator, go ahead and do it in your calculator. We get 0.00081, but let's just do this out. We have 10 multiplied by 0.9 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.1 to the power of 3 and 0.0081. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 0.0081. Okay. Now, so that's the answer to twice only. Now, probability at most 3 times. At most 3 times means 3 times is the most, or 2 times, or 1 time, or 0 times. So we need to get all of those and add them up. So 0 successes is this term. One success is this term, 2 successes this term, 3 successes this term. So we would find out all of those and add them up. Another way, which might be a little bit quicker in this case, would be to take 1, subtract these 2 guys, because all of these terms add up to 1. So there's only 2 terms over here we're not actually going to use, so it would be quicker to do it this way. So I'll do it that way this time around. Alright, this first one is 0.59049. And, oops, times 0.9 power 4 times 0.1. This is 0.32805. So I would do 1 minus 0.59049 minus 0.32805. Equals 0.08146. And we would round that to 3 decimal places unless stated otherwise. So 815. Quite a bit different than this answer, okay, by a decimal place plus a little extra. Okay, so when I first looked at that, I thought, oh dear, they are almost the same. So that can't be true, but no, it's not. This is 0.08, this is 0.008. Okay, if we would have instead taken these 4 terms and figured them out and added them all together, we would have gotten this same answer. Okay, there you have it.